Hello and welcome to this video on anger management. Anger is a natural part of being human, something we all experience at some point. Yet, when it spirals out of control, it can lead to significant consequences for our health and relationships. Every day, we encounter situations that can provoke our anger. It might be a frustrating traffic jam or feeling overlooked by a friend or coworker. Understanding that these triggers are a normal part of life is crucial. Our responses define the outcome. How do we recognize when anger has crossed the line into a problematic territory? Signs can manifest as yelling, physical outbursts, breaking objects, or even silent resentment. This emotion can also have physical effects, such as headaches or rapid heartbeat. What usually leads to unrestrained anger? It can stem from stress, unresolved disagreements, or deeper psychological matters like anxiety or feelings of inadequacy. Remember, anger itself is not inherently negative, it signals that something needs attention. If we ignore or mishandle our anger, it can significantly impact our relationships, job prospects, and health. Over time, this can create feelings of guilt or shatter trust among loved ones. The encouraging news is that anger can be managed effectively. Let's explore some practical strategies you can apply immediately to help you cope with anger in a constructive manner. Firstly, pause and take a moment to breathe. When you feel your anger escalating, inhale deeply, count to 10, and give yourself a moment to gather your thoughts before reacting impulsively. Secondly, understand what triggers your anger. Consider keeping a journal to track these moments. Being aware of what ignites your frustration is the first step toward change and emotional control. Thirdly, find ways to express your feelings without exploding. Aim to communicate using I statements, such as, I feel frustrated when. This reframing helps you to share your feelings without placing blame on others. Fourthly, redirect that pent-up energy into something productive. Physical activities like exercising, going for a walk, or listening to music can serve as excellent outlets for tension. Fifthly, incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises are effective ways to bring calmness to both your mind and body. Finally, focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on the issues that upset you. Train your mind to look beyond the problems and explore potential ways to resolve them. Keep in mind that anger is not your adversary, it is simply a form of communication indicating that something needs to change. By employing these tactics and with consistent practice, you can transform anger into an empowering force for personal development and positive transformation. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better anger management. Remember to uphold calmness, maintain positivity, and take control of your emotional responses.